hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Noong simula pa lamang, kayo ang naging magulang.
Sa aking bawat hakbang, turo nyo'y tamang daan.
Sa aking mga pagsubok, kayo'y laging tumutok.
Kayo na ang laging gabay, hanggang sa magtagumpay.
Salamat, salamat, hindi malilimutan. Gintong alaala ng ating pagsasama. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Nang ako'y makilala, sikat sa buong madla.
Sanggipang karangalan, sa lahat bahagi ka.
Ngayon ka nakita, tinubong ng lumipas.
At bawat ngayon at bukas, nakagukit hanggang wakas.
Salamat, salamat, salamat sa pagkakataon na makapiling, makabalikan, maging bahagi ng mundo. Salamat, salamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Salamat, salamat, hindi malilimutan. Ating pinagdaanan, ating pinagsamahan. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
Ang pinagaenok sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gungunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuaan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DCKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier, Pera Padala.
Ang oras na ini hatod serbisyo publiko sa satuya ni Board Member Attorney Shai Pajardo Noble, bukal kan ikalimang distrito kan Camarines Sur.
Free senior high school? Yes, free. Only at Sigera Technological Colleges. No tuition fee. Covered by the SHS voucher program. Free uniform, free PE uniform, free school ID, and even free transportation within Nabwa, Bato, Mountain Unit, Iriga City proper, and Baao. That's right! Quality education with less gastos for your family. Either being a student taking the academic track or technical professional track, enjoy quality learning facilities, dedicated and caring teachers, a safe and supportive campus environment. Dito sa Sigera, libre na, di kalidad pa ang edukasyon. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges Senior High School. Bring your dreams. We will take care of the rest. Class starts on June 15, 2026. Be one of us. Be a citizen Senior High School. Your future career starts with the right choice. Take the next step at Sigera Technological Colleges, your partner in achieving academic excellence and professional success. Offering competitive degree programs like Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Management, Major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major in Food Service Management, Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communication Technology at CTC. You don't just earn a degree, you gain industry-relevant skills, hands-on experience, leadership training, and a strong foundation for your career. Sigera prepared me not just to graduate, but to succeed in the real world. Be part of a college that builds leaders, innovators, and professionals. Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges. Visit our campus or connect with us online today by visiting and messaging our official Facebook page. Enrollment is ongoing. Classes starts on first semester of academic year 2026 to 2027 on August 17, 2026. This is the Sigera Technological Colleges. Knowledge, skills, and discipline.
Nasalanta ka man ng bagyo o lindol, may paraan para makabangon. Kasama mo si M. Luelier sa bawat hakbang. Kung kailangan mo ng dagdag pondo sa bahay o kotse, nandito ang ML Quick Cash Loan, Car Loan at Home Loan. Mas madali, mabilis at siguradong maaasahan. Kaya sa bawat laban ng buhay, may katuwang kang totoo. Punta na sa pinakamalapit na M. Luelier branch today. Ang tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Sa tuyang tamang oras, 11 minutos makalampas na alas 8 nin pag-aga. Ang oras na ini hatod man sa Indoka na Nakings Fall Water Repelling Station na makukuha dyan sa San Isidro, digdi sa siyudad ka na Iriga.